Welcome back to another episode of Life in Debt Real Stories. I'm Jamie.
And I'm Sterling. Today we're diving into a topic that hits hard for many: how to get over cheating, especially when it involves your best friend.
That's right, Sterling. It's a tough situation, and we've got some real stories from our listeners to share. One in particular really stood out to me.
Oh, absolutely. It's heartbreaking when trust is broken by someone so close. Let's talk about the stages of acceptance. What do you think is the first step?
I'd say the initial shock. It's like being hit by a freight train. One listener mentioned feeling numb for days after discovering her partner cheated on her with her best friend.
Numbness is a common reaction. It's hard to process betrayal from two people you trusted. After that phase, what comes next?
Anger, for sure. I mean, who wouldn't feel betrayed? Another listener told us how she went through a phase of hating them both.
Rightfully so. But then comes the realization that holding on to that hate isn't healthy. How did she start to overcome that?
She said she realized that hating them was giving them power over her, so she decided to focus on her own healing instead.
That's a powerful shift. It's all about reclaiming your narrative. We need to learn to let go for our own peace.
Exactly. And the next stage is acceptance, isn't it? Not just of what happened, but also of the feelings that come with it.
Yes. Acceptance doesn't mean you're okay with what happened, but it's about acknowledging your emotions. Another listener, Rachel, shared how journaling helped her sort through her feelings.
Journaling can be so therapeutic. It's a great way to express anger and sadness. Did she mention any other healing methods?
She did. Rachel found that surrounding herself with supportive friends helped rebuild her trust in people. It's crucial to have a solid support system.
Definitely. Trust is such a fragile thing after betrayal, but with time and effort, it can be rebuilt.
Speaking of rebuilding, let's talk about setting boundaries. How can someone navigate those with their partner after infidelity?
Well, boundaries are essential. One listener, Mark, emphasized the need to communicate openly about what makes him feel secure again.
And that's key. Communication. It's not just about repairing the relationship, but also about ensuring both partners feel safe moving forward.
Exactly. It's a journey, and it takes time. But with patience, healing is possible.
And remember, it's okay to ask for help. Therapy can be a wonderful resource during these tough times.
Absolutely. We've seen so many people grow stronger through adversity.
Well, that wraps up our discussion for today. Remember, if you're struggling, you're not alone.
Thanks for joining us on Life in Detail, Real Stories. Until next time, keep your hearts open and your minds strong.
Take care, everyone.